In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable pop-ups on Google Chrome step by step. This is really useful if a website needs pop-ups for logins, downloads, payment windows, booking pages, or other features that simply won't work when Chrome blocks them. If you've been getting blocked by Chrome and wondering how to fix it, you're in the right place. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu depending on your device. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu. Click that menu, and from the drop-down list, select Settings. Now you're inside the Chrome Settings page. On the left sidebar, find and click Privacy and Security. This section contains the main controls for browsing permissions, website behavior, and security settings. After that, look in the central panel and click Site Settings. This is where Chrome lets you control what websites are allowed to access, including location, camera, microphone, notifications, and pop-ups. Once you're in Site Settings, scroll down toward the bottom until you reach the Content section. In this area, you'll find different permission-based settings for websites. Look for pop-ups and redirects and click on it. This is the menu that controls whether websites are allowed to open pop-ups or redirect you to other pages. By default, Chrome usually blocks pop-ups to protect you from unwanted ads or suspicious sites. But if you trust a website and need those pop-ups enabled, you can change that here. Under Default Behavior, you'll see the current setting. Click it and then change the selection to Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. Once you select that option, Chrome will allow pop-ups and redirects for websites, unless you manually block specific sites later. That means the website you're using should now be able to open the windows or pages it needs without getting stopped by Chrome. If you only want to allow pop-ups for one specific website instead of turning them on for everything, you can usually manage that from the same settings area by adding an exception. But if your goal is to fully enable pop-ups in Chrome, the setting we just changed is the main one you need. At this point, you can go back to the website and refresh the page to test it. If the site was previously blocked, the pop-up should now load properly. If it still doesn't work, make sure the browser is fully refreshed and check whether any extensions are also blocking the window. And that's it. You've now enabled pop-ups on Google Chrome. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, and now you can move forward with the websites that need those extra windows or redirects. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.